We are on the set of Ewuku featuring Mama Rita Ego. Yeah. We are here doing what we know best to do. Yeah, man. With Chifimo, you know what he can do. Yeah, man. The guy is too much. Yeah, man. It's not easy. Yeah. Woo! Oh, yeah.
Wow! Ewuku! Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday, everybody. Them all of us. Thank you, man. Oh, yes, it's not. It's not. Snap picture. This one is sorry.
And make you head your hair. Oh my man. Governor, I thank you so much for doing this for my people. That is what I talk about, good governance. In Anambra State, I still quote, you know they happen. Nobody will hold me for that. If it happen, at least I would have been among the first batch they will do it for. They don't do it in Anambra State. So I thank you for doing it for my people. Where are you going to? I thank you for doing it for my people. God will bless you.